Let's make some money again, guys. It's another beautiful morning that God has given us, and as you know very well, we keep on making money because money is what makes us breathe, live a good life, go to vacations, and everything. All right. And so, guys, without wasting much time explaining myself, as you can see, let's go to the point straight. As you can see, I have 13,806.99. That is my Binance balance as of making this video on today, date of 8th June 2026. That's cash 1,786,210 in Kenyan shillings. And on this video today, guys, I'm going to show you how you can make passive income trading from home, from your phone, or from your computer, and you can turn your $1,000, $100, or $500 into a balance like mine. As I refresh like this, you can see it's real account, not fake. Everything is real and real time. Okay, and so guys, let's begin doing this right now. And so today we are going to trade on what we call arbitrage triangular. Triangular arbitrage is simply you buy crypto on one exchange and you sell on another exchange high. All right, and so how do we do it? First thing, you need to have a Binance account, and the second thing, you need to fund it. All right, once you fund it, you also need to have a very popular exchange called Trexbic.app. All right, so you need to go to your browser like this, and then you search on your browser, you put Trexbic.app. Okay, and then you log in, you go ahead, and it will take you to this option where you will now create your account. As you can see, this is my account here, and I advise you to always use a Brave browser because it doesn't keep on cache and make you not trade very fast. All right, so you need to come here and then you create your account, everything. And after creating your account, you can verify or you cannot, it's not compulsory. And then the next step, you will log in. So I'm going to log into my account like this, and you can see on my wallet right now I have 69. And to show you that I have been making all this money in this exchange, I'll go to financial history, and I will show you this is all my activity on P2P tradings. Okay, deposits, they are here, withdrawals, they are here, everything, but trading, everything is here. So without wasting time, I'm going to crypto wallet section, and you can see that's my balance. So let's say now you have your $1,000 in your Binance. How do you make the money? All right, how do you make the profit? How do you trade? And remember guys, this video is for educational purpose only. I do not encourage it as a financial advice unless you follow what I do. All right, so I'll click on the three dots, and we are going today to trade on a P2P market. Okay, and then guys, we will buy today, we are going to buy USDT at a lower price, and then we sell high. So for example, you can see this vendor called Zara Okonko has a price of 0.8. 0.8, you know, a dollar is at $1, but see, this one is selling USDT in 0.8. So I'll click on buy on Zara. I'll click buy on Zara, and guys, let's say if I buy 1,000 worth of USDT, I'm going to receive 1,275. All right, 1,275. So that's a profit of 275. So I'll click proceed, and then I'll click pay, and then guys, I'll click confirm order. All right, and so I'm going to buy 1,000 worth USDT from Zara Okonko, expecting to receive 1,275. Okay, so this is the buy section. Now I'll copy the address like that, and I will go back to my Binance. Now this is where Binance comes in, and I'll click on assets, and I'll click on send. I'll click on withdraw, on chain withdraw, and then I'll click USDT. I'll long press that address here, guys, and I'll choose the network is TRS, TRC20, TRX, and I'll put amount 1,001.3, because 1.3 is the network fee that Binance charges, so that the full 1,000 can be sent out. And then, guys, I'll click withdraw and confirm here, and then I'll now put my passkey. Remember always to hide your passkeys so that nobody can see it. And then, guys, I'm going to put my passkeys, everything like that. Very nice. You can see now 1,000.1 USDT withdraw is now sent. I'll click view history, and you can see here it's processing. And now the next step, guys, I will come back to my Trexbic account. I'll scroll down slowly, and you can see this button named I have paid. Now I'm going to click it because it's true, I have paid. And now after clicking, you can see it's now monitoring the blockchain to detect the payment. At this level, guys, what you need to do is just relax, be patient, and watch. Okay, so let's wait for it to be detected in a few. Remember, guys, as we wait for the payment to arrive here, you can also trade using AI bots on Trexbic.app. Once you create your account, you can come and do this. You can come click on this. Let me go back here. You can come on your account and click the three dots, and then you will find a place called trading bots. This one, there are free trading bots, there are AI bots, and there are also pro bots that you need to pay, Elite, VIP. These one are paid and also free. So like this one, we call it, which is the most hot and popular, is Pionix Grid bot. You can just copy it like that. You put your stake amount, and yes, and you trade. All right. And so, guys, we can see my account has already been credited with 1,345. So it seems the payment has arrived. I'll click on the three dots, and I'll go to financial history to find the trade, and I'll go to P2P trades, and you can see here 1,000, the one that I just paid right now 3 minutes ago, has been credited automatically. So once you open the trade and you pay, you just need to be very, very patient, just within a few minutes, and it's automatically gets paid. All right. And so, guys, now you see my balance is at 1345 minus 69 that I had. That's a 1,275 that I have received in my account. And so the next step is now to withdraw our funds to the wallet. So I'll click on withdraw, and I'm going to put automatic, not manual, automatic, and I'm going to put amount 100%, which is 1276 that I have made from the trade. You can see, because on my spot I had 1,000 TRX, and on my funding, yes. So I'm now going to withdraw 1,000 to 76. All right, guys. So, but because I don't want to withdraw all of it, I want to remain with some money to trade with here. I'm just going to withdraw 1,100 so that I can make, you see, the fee is 38, but still I will have made 61 USDT as profit, right? So I'll still remain with some other money, so I'll go click continue, and I'll put now my address. I'll go back to my Binance, and guys, I'm going to go to click on add funds, on chain deposit, and I'll choose USDT, and TRX. Copy the address, guys, slowly and carefully, and I'll paste that address here, and I'll repeat the address here, and then guys I'll click on review, and you can see a verification code has been sent to your email. So now I'm going to my email and take the code right now. So guys, I'm going to copy my verification code here, and then I'll go back to my Trexbic account and I'll paste it here, slow like that, carefully, and confirm withdrawal. Okay, there is no shortcut, guys. Everything is now automatic, and now the withdrawal is in progress. You can see, guys, I started with 1,000. I made a profit of 275, and now I'm withdrawing 1,061, right? 1,061, guys. That's a profit of 61. And remember, I just have left my other money in my account, like 100 plus, and that I am going to use to trade again. Right, so I'll click view on Tronscan, and you can see the withdrawal is now live on the blockchain, and here it shows successful, but is still not confirmed. Okay, you can see this one here, successful, and here this section unconfirmed yet. And remember, guys, that's why I want to tell you that this is real. There is nobody who can fake blockchain withdrawals and transactions. Some people will show you fake screenshots that don't come from blockchain. Those are scammers, and you need to be very, very careful with scammers out here. I'm the only person that you can trust, and I teach you for free without paying a cent, right? And this is for educational only. And you can see now it's confirmed. If I go back to my wallet now, you can see the withdrawal is now completed, and you can see the date. The date is here, and it's on 8th June 2026. So the withdrawal is confirmed, and if I go back to my account, you can now see I have a remaining balance of 245, of which I still have 176 USDT from the trade that I made as a profit that I'm going to use to trade with AI bots, and made very many more other trading options and P2P. Okay, so guys, let's confirm if I received the funds on my Binance, and let me refresh. You can see it's here, and 1,061 received. Still I've made a profit of 275. Okay, and so guys, that is it, and I hope you have watched this video. Please, I encourage you to like this video, share with other people, comment, and save it once you meet it in your TikTok or YouTube. Please like, share, and everything. And also, guys, don't forget to join my Telegram channel on my TikTok here. Let me show you my TikTok account. Let me show you my TikTok account, guys. This is my TikTok account, guys. You can see I have 72,000.7 followers, and I post all my videos here. Some of them have millions of views. Once you come on my TikTok, you can watch my all videos here, and also you can also click on this link. Remember, guys, I will never text you first. This is the TikTok that will take you to my Telegram channel. This one, it's and then once you open it, you just need to open it with your Telegram, and let me just open it again, guys. You can see. So once you open this bot, you need to start it. Just write here start. Right, it's my bot, this one, and it's very safe. And once you open that, there is a link will come here, join the free Telegram channel. You click on that link, and guys, here you will find my Telegram channel where I have students who watch videos every day and like and follow me, and where I teach people for free without paying a cent on how to trade. Okay, and once you join this Telegram channel, guys, Remember, you can also go to my YouTube. You'll find a video like this, a post like this that has a YouTube link. Once you click it like that, it will take you direct to my Telegram, my YouTube channel, sorry. Yes. So this is my YouTube channel, guys, that I have 275,000 subscribers, where I teach people for free on how to trade and make passive income from home. And so, guys, and may the God bless you for watching and supporting my videos on TikTok, and may you be successful as others or as me, and God give you the energy and everything to succeed in this life. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you. Have a nice week and a blessed new month, June, and as we head to July. Thank you so much.